Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 38. Hope you all are fine and safe. So in the last class we have discussed the activity how to add table and a video. That means how we can add the table. We have discussed how to add the rows and columns. The table can be added by the table comment, and also for adding the row we have discussed about the tr and the td comments, and we have added the table like that. So you can see the table here. So this we have added, and next we have studied how to add a video also. So I hope you understood these all things. So today we are going to do the two remaining activities. The first activity is 8.9 scrolling text, and another activity hyperlink to school wiki. How do you when you open some web pages and all, you can see some text are scrolling from left to right or from right to left, like that. In any of the direction you can see some text scrolling. In that way, if you want to add some scrolling text in your web page, that also is possible. So for adding that, you have to change some, so you have to add some extra codes in your text editor file. Okay, so how we can add that? In the textbook it is given, for adding the scrolling text, the tag which we are using is marquee. Okay, we have to open the marquee tag and we have to close the marquee tag. In between this marquee tags we have to write the text. So this is the text for adding the marquee. Okay, so this is the text. I am copying this text. So this is the text, that means the registration started is the text. So here I am going to add this text to our web page. So how we can add that? So under this Kalolsavam, I am going to add this text. So just enter here, and here I am going to add. You can see over here how to add the marquee text. So here I am going to place the I am going to paste this code. The code is marquee direction is equal to right. Automatically, if you write with the no direction, automatically it will coming from the left. So for giving, it is particular to which direction you want, that you can give, like marquee direction is equal to right. Registration started is the text which we are going to scroll, and we can, after that we can close this text. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So here we have opened that. I am going to type here /marquee. Okay, I'm closing this text. After that, let's see what is happening. Yes, I will open our school Kalolsavam web page, and this I am going to save, and here I am going to refresh. So just a second. MARQUE, this is the marquee code. This is the registration started, and /marquee. So after that, save this file, refresh. Yes, here you can see the one text is scrolling. Did you see under the Kalolsavam? You can see one text is scrolling like this. Registration started, text is scrolling. So now by default it will scroll from the right to left direction. So if you want to move it in the opposite direction, we can change it over here. We can give the particular direction over here. So how we can do that? already it is given in the code. Here we can write marq direction is equal to right, like that we can give. Okay, marq direction is equal to right. After that, save this. Again I am opening this HTML, refresh this, so you can see it is coming from right. Okay, to the right direction you can see the text is scrolling. So like this we can give the we can scroll the text for so you have to understood whether we can scroll the text by using the marq tag. So marq tag is basically used for scrolling the text. We can give the direction either to left or right. So this much also we have discussed. Okay, and the last activity is of giving hyperlink to school wiki. You all will be knowing that school wiki is the Wikipedia in which the details of the schools are added, right? All the details of the schools are added in the school wiki. So if you want to, if another person, if the person who is from outside the school want to know more about the school by seeing your web page, you can give the hyperlink. Hyperlink means what? A link. When you click on that particular text, a link will be it will be attached there. So when you click on that link, you will be getting the page, corresponding page open. So here we are going to give link, okay, hyperlink to the school wiki. So for giving the hyperlink, the tag which is used is a/a. This is the tag for giving the hyperlink. So how we can give the hyperlink, that also we will be discussing. That will be the last activities which we are discussing in this session. So I am going to give the hyperlink for our school. When you click on the school's name, it must be directed to another page which contains more information about your school. So how we can give that? So for giving the hyperlink, you have to write the code. How we can give href. A is the code. So I am going to type the code over here. That is a href is equal to, in quotes you have to give the URL address of the page. When you click on that link, in which page is opening, that page URL address must be given correctly. So here I am going to give the URL address of school wiki, https://schoolwiki.in. This is the URL address, and next I am going to give the school code. Our school code is 23022. Okay, https://schoolwiki.in/23022. This is the code which I am giving, and I am closing this. Next we have to close the tag a. So a is the tag for giving the hyperlink /a. Okay, so for Don Bosco HSS Irinalakuda, I have given the hyperlink. When you click on this text, you can see the link that it will be directed to the page of school wiki which containing the more details about the page. So here I am going to save this. After that I am opening our page. So when I refresh this, you can see for the Don Bosco HSS Irinalakuda, you can see one change, right? A link like this, you can see a link came to the school. You can see an underline mark. So when you click and when you place the cursor over here, the cursor pointer also change. So when you click here, what will happen? It will be directed to our school, Don Bosco HSS Irinalakuda. You can see the school page. You can see the details also. You can see here. This is the page. Okay, so here in this way we can give the link. Okay, so just back to the page, so you'll be getting your web page. So this is our overall web page. So what all things you have added? You have added the school's name, you have added the Kalolsavam like as a subheading, you have given a scrolling text like registration started, and you have given what we say image also we have included. Then the list of items is also here, and we have included a video, and at last we have given hyperlink for the school. So when you click on this, you will be getting the school's details in school wiki. So if a person from outside, if they want to know more about our school, you can see the school's details over here. Okay, so I hope you understood these all things. So with this much our chapter is also completed. You can see here the last activities of hyperlink to school wiki. So with this much our chapter is completed. So in this chapter, when we summarize what all things we have studied about how the basic HTML code, how to write basic HTML code, what are the tags for that, HTML tag, header tag, body tag, all the tags must be closed when it is opened. And we have discussed about the heading tag like h1, h2, h3, and we have discussed how to add heading, how to add subheading. Next we have discussed how to give the background color, how to include an image, how to change the background color, how to add the text, how to add the texts in a table. That also we have discussed. And also we have discussed about the BR comment and the P comment. BR comment is used for line by line. For getting into another line, we will be using BR comment, and for next paragraph we will be using the P comment. And these are certain formatting tools which we can use for making our text more beautiful, that extra attributes which we have given. Okay, and next we have studied how to include a table like TR, TD comments and all we have studied. How to include the video that we have discussed. Next we have discussed about the scrolling text, that is of using the MarkQ code, and hyperlink, that is of a tag and MarkQ tag. Okay, so today we have studied the two activities of scrolling text by using MarkQ tag, and the hyperlink of giving hyperlink we will be using the a tag. So I hope you understood these all things. So practice the activity. So after doing all the activities, our page must be in this format. Okay, just a second. In this format our page must be seen. Okay, so this is the sample web page which we have created. So those who are having computer, practice the activity. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.